I'm going to teach you how to make the rose star. This is the rose, and this is the star. This. And if we have time, I'll teach you how to make this. Let's start. First, you're gonna fold the paper in half. And then you're gonna fold it this way. And then you're gonna unfold and fold it down like this. And you want to make these creases well. I'm just going quick because I want to get on with this video. Then you're gonna make the square base, which is just going like this. And then we're going to make the bird base, which is folding these to the middle crease, folding this back, unfolding these, and lifting them up. And if something goes wrong, or like has a little whip like that, it's okay. When you're done with one side, it should look like this. You're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. Well, then you're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. And this is the bird base. So from here, you're gonna open this and push this in. And then you're gonna fold it like this, and then like this, and then bring them together. And on the other side. Then you're gonna unfold it like this and fold it like that. And then you're gonna fold it so this line goes straight that way. And then you're gonna fold it the other way. And then you're gonna bring it together and fold it that way, like that. And then, same thing to the other side. And then you're gonna open it like this. And if it doesn't go into this shape, if it goes into like this, you're just gonna switch these. Now the first half is over, and we're gonna flip it over and make the rose. First you're gonna fold it like this, and then when you fold it in, you want to fold it all the way to the middle to this crease, and then you're gonna fold on top of that, and on top, and then on the last one, you're gonna crease only this part from here, and you're gonna fold this in. Like that, with this crease, like that. So there's kind of like this core shape. And when you have this core shape, you're gonna go like this. Well, you see these? You're gonna take one of them and go like this. And then you're gonna do that in a circle. And then the last one, you're gonna take it from under and do that. And when you're finished, it should look like this. This is a really cool shape, but instead of that, you can just keep it like this, or you can tuck the flaps in, which makes that flower. And then to make it, there's one more step to the flower, and you're gonna fold these out. That's the last step. Folding these out. And then, ta-da! And here's how you make it out of one sheet. You're gonna fold it in half, and then this way. And then you're gonna basically do the same thing. Fold it like this. Fold it like this. Fold it like this. But then on the last one, you're gonna unfold it and fold it like this. And then you're gonna fold this in. And then you see these not too big creases here. Like, there would be creases here where like when it was here, like they were kind of like where this would be. And then you're gonna take them and fold them like this. And like the other one, keep doing that all the way around. And then the last one, come from under. And then you should get all of them straight and in order. And then you're gonna, when you're done with making the outside, you're gonna do the inside. And you can adjust it so it looks better, however you want. And yeah, that's it.